For decades, the phone has been, well, everything. It's our connection to the world, our entertainment, pretty much our entire lives packed into a little rectangle. But what if I told you that whole era is about to end? We're diving headfirst into a massive, high stakes battle for the future of technology itself. And it's a fight worth hundreds of billions of dollars for whatever comes next. And who's saying this? None other than Elon Musk. And look, he's not talking about a slightly better camera or a new design. He's talking about a complete and total replacement for the smartphone. It's an idea that challenges literally everything we think we know about personal tech. Okay, so if the phone as we know it is on its way out, what on earth is going to take its place? The answer isn't just a new kind of phone. It's a vision for something way simpler, way smarter, and just infinitely more powerful. So let's break down what that future actually looks like. Right, first up, the end of the phone. We're talking about a future that moves completely beyond this app-based world we're all living in. A future where the device in your pocket changes fundamentally. This right here lays out the whole game. On one side, you've got today's reality, right? A screen just cluttered with little app icons, the constant hassle of downloads and updates from an app store, and being totally dependent on the cloud. But on the other side, that's the new vision. A simple, seamless interface where the AI just creates the features you need on the fly, with all the intelligence built right into the device itself. So you're probably wondering, how is that even possible? Well, it all comes down to a concept called client-side computing. Instead of your phone sending a request to some giant, far-off server in the cloud, the AI processing happens right there, on your device. What does that mean for you? It means it's instant, it's secure, and it works even without a constant internet connection. This isn't just some minor feature, it's the master key that unlocks this entire vision. And for Musk, this isn't just some abstract idea. He is actively using his entire empire of companies to build the infrastructure to make this whole thing a reality, right now. His strategy is this three-step, totally self-contained ecosystem. It's designed to completely bypass the current tech giants. So, step one, Starlink provides universal internet access to everyone, everywhere. Step two, Tesla and his company xAI deliver the incredibly powerful AI brain. And step three, totally new devices, maybe a simple glass slab or even wearables, become the interface you use. And make no mistake, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky dream. Step one, that universal access part, it is well underway. There are over 8,000 Starlink satellites already orbiting the Earth, building out that global network as we speak. The sheer scale of this operation is just staggering. Now, if this vision succeeds, the fallout is just immense. Think about it. App stores, gone. Obsolete. That whole cycle of software subscriptions and downloads could just vanish. That puts huge enterprise giants like Salesforce and Microsoft Office on notice. I mean, why would you download an app when your device's own AI can just generate the tool you need right when you need it? Right? Of course, a revolutionary idea like this hasn't gone unnoticed. Not at all. In fact, it has already kicked off a war that's being fought today, a war for absolute control over the future of artificial intelligence. And this isn't a war with tanks and soldiers. Nope. This is a war fought entirely in code, where complex algorithms are the weapons, and the very future of how we interact with the world is being quietly rewritten behind the scenes. So here are the two sides, the main players. You've got the incumbents, Apple, who acts as the gateway to billions of devices, and their partner OpenAI, who provides the AI brain. Together, they are a seriously powerful alliance. And on the other side, you've got the challenger, Elon Musk, with his totally self-sufficient, vertically integrated empire. And the money involved here, it's just astronomical. We are talking about company valuations that define entire global industries. OpenAI is rocketing toward a $500 billion valuation. Musk's SpaceX is already knocking on the door of $400 billion. And just the iPhone alone represents a huge chunk of Apple's value. The stakes here aren't just market share. Some are calling this a fight for civilization's blueprint. But what are they really fighting for? It's not just about selling devices. The ultimate prize is control. Control over commerce, over work, over communication. It's a battle for the flow of information itself, a battle for the human mind. So this high-level corporate war, it isn't just happening in some distant boardroom. It connects directly to your life. And it's your future that's really at stake. Musk's recent lawsuit against OpenAI and Apple is forcing some really uncomfortable questions out into the open. And the first one is fundamental. Should a partnership between just two companies get to decide the AI future for every single person on the planet? This really frames the central choice that we're all facing. Is the future of our technology going to be a world of open choices and competition? Or are we heading for a walled garden, carefully built and controlled by just a handful of monopolies? And here's the really chilling part we have to remember. The AI we have right now, today, feels incredibly advanced, right? But this is the weakest, the dumbest, the most primitive it will ever be again. Just try to imagine what's coming in 5 years. The decisions we make right now will have an exponentially bigger impact down the road. And don't think this is some abstract conflict happening somewhere else. You are already a part of it. Your data, every search, every photo, every conversation, that is the currency that is fueling this entire war. Every single time you talk to a device, you're participating. And that leaves us with the ultimate unanswered question. This war is happening right now, all around us. So who will own the future of intelligence? Who is going to write the rules for our new existence? And maybe the most important question of all, will you even have a choice in the matter?